Stands disposed of. Same order as 7.
Malad, I'm only handing over the.
Yes, please. Yes.
I mean, led by Mr.
এটা item 10 এর ফাইলের ভেতরে ঢুকিয়ে দিন।
But only one thing, that these documents are produced by the state. Kindly notice this.
Yes.
State, Milord, let's. They are our officer. State's officer, Milord. The PRO is the officer. Yes. PRO is the officer. Yes.
Please call the daily list matters. Oh, there is a supplementary also.
Second
What is supplement?
Supplementary is 1 and 2 same matter.
1 is
1 and 2 same.
1 and 2 same. देखिए। Yes, 1 and 2
Same facts.
আপনি বললেন 5টা আছে 5টা আছে বললেন ভেরি ওয়েল তার মানে 3টে আছে তো ঠিক আছে
Milord, তুই কত কোনটা
সেটা তো আজকের লিস্টে আছে
4917
এটা সাপ্লিমেন্টারি
14 এটা কত নম্বর লিস্টে আছে?
আচ্ছা
সেকেন্ড
এটাতেও দাদা
নামটা বলো।
তরিকুল ইসলাম।
এটাতে সাপ্লিমেন্টারি কস্ট লিস্ট এটা তো সাপ্লিমেন্টারি কস্ট লিস্ট যেখানে একদম
কাগজ আছে
করে বুঝবেন
সঞ্জিত কুমার মন্ডল।
কোনটা কি
পরিকুলার সঞ্জিতের কাগজ আছে।
হলো এটা তো সেকেন্ড সাপ্লিমেন্টারি কস্ট লিস্ট করে দিন বলে দিন এটা সেকেন্ড সাপ্লিমেন্টারি কস্ট লিস্ট করতে তা না হলে অসুবিধা হবে না আইডেন্টিফাই করতে পারবে না কোন মামলা রেকটিফাই করে দিতে বলুন ইমিডিয়েটলি
এরপর কোনটা ধরলো?
তারিকুল ইসলাম
Milord, Milord, same as that item 7, but 7 and 7 and 10. But Milord, here also the scrutiny is cancelled, but order is not with me, Milord. Just it has been given.
Will the printouts come?
Printouts of earlier matters.
No, earlier matter.
Earlier 2 matters they have given. This order yet to
It has to be brought. Milord, it has to be brought.
Yet to be written.
Rest of the day we can hand it over to your Lord's court officer. Otherwise, Milord, kindly appreciate this. This is just now it is served.
No, the matters are moved on urgent basis.
I understand, Milord. I understand.
And do you think that there are
Yes.
same?
Rejection, same.
Please get hold
Milord,
of
that's right. That's how it is.
second supplementary list item numbers 1 and 2 will be same as item number 7 of the first supplementary list.
Milord,
বোঝা গেছে
ওই কোথায় গেল? রুলিং কোথায় গেল? তুই ওই পিটিশনটা দে আমাকে কত নম্বর আইটেম ওটা? এটা আইটেমটা কত? কি দিচ্ছিস?
সিরাজউদ্দিন তো আমি দিয়েছি তো।
এই সিরাজউদ্দিনের petition?
না সে দুটো হবে না
Milord, the judgment of division bench.
you want
In-
it handed over
No, print.
which one did you hand over
7.
আচ্ছা this is
Rejection order.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে এটা ঢুকিয়ে রাখুন তো ওইটার ভেতরে 7 নম্বর মামলার ভেতরে ঢুকিয়ে দিন মুসলিমা বেগম
আমার ওই চিপের কোটে
মুসলিমা বেগমে
শর্মা কোথায় গেল?
তার আগে একটা আছে
call 3 দিলীপ কুমার রে
made solution. And Malad, the candidate Malad was not allowed to Malad file their nomination
not allowed to file
Not allowed to
nomination
because Malad they had been prevented by the police authorities and they had been Malad brutally.
why are you so late
No Malad, I had Malad taken out a mail communication to the commission on that very date when the
Yes.
state of incident happened. Your lordship would find it.
I'll grant you liberty to file election petition please come
If I could, Malad, only indicate, Malad, since Malad, I was even not allowed to Malad participate and Malad submit my nomination. My only prayer before your lordship, even Malad,
you ought to have come a bit earlier nothing
I
else.
had Malad tried to explain what has prevented me to Malad come up before lordship. Malad, my mail communications Malad has been Malad repeatedly fallen on them, and one of the ground Malad which I have taken that they had Malad sat tight over my mail. There was even not a single acknowledgement, but there which their duty was Malad.
Item 3 same order as item 9
এটা হচ্ছে ক্যানিং ওয়ান
ঠিক আছে
এটা বলবে
I'm grateful.
আগে কত নম্বর?
ডাকবে বলছে
কত নম্বর এটা?
এখন তো
daily list matter call কি হয়েছে? Item number 3 in the second supplementary list.
Yes, yes.
Was
Your
anybody
Lordship just
appearing- Was anybody appearing for this?
Second supplementary.
Mr. Mahato, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, were any of you appearing for this state? No,
In second supplementary, item number 3, we are not.
you are also not appearing.
I am not appearing.
No, did you serve?
No, my lord,
You
I could
serve?
not- I could not serve to the state. my
তাহলে
lord.
আর করতে
It's my
আসবে?
fault.
কেউ নেই? Yes. Item number 4.
Grateful.
মানে এই যে সিরাজউদ্দিন এটা কোনটা সিরাজউদ্দিন দেওয়ান
Vishaka Mondal. I am for the petition led by Mr. Bhattacharya, my lord.
আমাকে
আমাদের matter. এখানে rejection order আছে।
Now, this matter was heard, my lord, the last occasion. At the request of Mr. Saptangshu Basu, it was kept today.
Yes.
Nothing new to argue. Only thing, my lord, uncontested election
Yes.
benefit is enjoyed by those people who are prevented. I prevent you, then I get myself declared uncontested.
No, I am
This
appearing for
Honorable will take care of it.
no, I am appearing for the state in this matter.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, so far the uncontested is concerned, my lord, in terms of section টা কত জানো? হ্যাঁ, just 1 minute. Section 64B of the West Bengal Panchayat Elections Act. My lord, Form 12, the candidates have been, my lord, declared. But the result, my lord, declaration have been done. My lord, so far the uncontested candidate is concerned, those who was saying that they could not file a nomination, my lord, I am, just please, I am covered by the West Bengal, that judgment, my lord, 2018, 18 SCC, page 141, which I cited. There the Supreme Court has granted leave, paragraph 31, and ultimately paragraph 34, that Supreme Court has granted leave to go and file the
Election.
election dispute.
My lord, the Supreme Court,
That is
Mr.
not
Baji,
a,
let him complete.
sorry,
Mr. Baji.
because I am, sir.
No, whatever you are, however,
My
Mr.
case-
Bhattacharya will
Your-
sort it out. You will-
Your
No, no.
state's submission is that the election dispute is the only remedy that is.
The election dispute is remedy. Apart from that, my lord, I am submitting that they are now trying to, they are seeking for a relief, that your lordships kindly see, the prayer is that, a prayer is, my lord, just 1 minute. Prayer is, my lord, kindly see, issue of writ in the nature of manner commonly rest him to cancel on a set aside and a coerce or rest in the process of nomination in ensuing election process and direct for a de novo nomination. Well, this is not permissible under law. It's an election dispute to go and get it set aside. Issue a writ in the nature of mandamus commanding the respondent authority to each of them to cancel or set aside a coerce or rest in the decision or rejection of nomination form of the petitioners by the concerned respondent. Therefore, my lord, that is also covered under 93C of the West Bengal Panchayat Elections Act. 93(1)C, it is covered. Now, my lord, see, next pair is issue in the nature of manner of each of them to allow the petitioner to participate as contesting candidate. But when the Form 12 has been granted, given, and the nomination process has been commenced, election nomination has been filed, 15, and according to them, it has been, rejection order has been challenged by them here. This is a completely an election dispute matter.
So where is the rejection order over
But
there? There is
he
no
is-
rejection.
My certificate I have there.
No, certificate you have been declared uncontested, but there is no rejection order.
Yes, yes, because that's, on 17th, yes, same 17th June 2023, I will like that matter.
No, here they could not file their nominations
No,
also.
my lord, my case is that
They have filed
after 3 p.m.
after 3
Oh,
p.m.
after 3 p.m.
That's same.
Kindly
Milord,
take.
I will, the rejection order is there, Milord. I
In
can,
respect of each and every candidate, there are many petitioners.
yes, everyone, Milord. The rejection has been done in every cases.
Kindly take
Milord,
paragraph.
I have only one copy.
82 petitioners.
Milord, they are saying in their prayer itself,
Huh.
cancel the rejection order.
All right.
Therefore, rejection order is there.
There.
Therefore, rejection order is there on scrutiny. This is their prayer, Miller.
Rejection.
Miller, kindly see, issue a written nature of mandamus courtesy, commanding the authority each of them to cancel and set aside and or coerce and or rescind the decisions of rejection of nomination of the petitioners by the concerned respondents. Therefore, after scrutiny, the persons who are there only same equal positions. Then the Miller section 64, under section 64, subsection B, the Miller form 12 has been given to the uncontested candidates. That's Mr. Basu's clients. Their rights have been accrued. Now, Miller, whether it is an election dispute, Miller, and I am covered by Miller, all of my arguments which I have made it.
There was only one addition, subject to Mr. Banerjee has completed. 2018 Milord judgment would have no application because here the petitioners got the High Court's order and security to file the nomination. Even then, they were not allowed, Milord, to allegedly file the nomination within time. Our point is we have filed the nomination within time. The officer got it recorded because of their own legalism. Here, Milord, the qualitative difference is the High Court granted us security that you go and file nomination. But even then, Milord, they did not allow us to file within 3. Therefore, this will not, Milord, in any way come
Where
within
is that order?
No.
Where is the order of the High Court permitting you to file the
High
nomination?
Court order to the
Yes, Miller, they went there. They went at 8 p.m.
Then who is responsible then?
Yes, you are responsible.
You
You are responsible.
Malad,
No.
They went there at 8
page
p.m.
3, Malad, page 3.
They,
3, Malad.
yes.
Page 3, my lord. And our case is that on the 20, on the day of 20, my lord, not the last day of scrutiny was 17. On 20, my lord, our name is appeared in the website, my lord. In paragraph 19, are specifically stated, my lord. That's our case, my lord, altogether.
So, you know,
No, it appearing in the scrutiny, but this is what is being submitted, that as the nomination was filed beyond the prescribed time, that is the reason it has
Why-
been cancelled.
But
That's
it's
the,
the order.
that's the ground which will not made out by the authorities to reject these applications.
Yes.
The reason that the petitioners are illegally, arbitrarily, whimsically rejected. Miller,
it is submitted after.
Miller, if your lordships read paragraph 2 of the petition, they have said itself, the nomination of the petitioners, paragraph 2, last line, page 21.
Yes.
The nomination of the petitioners are illegally, arbitrarily, and whimsically rejected, showing the reason that the petitioners have filed their nomination after 3 p.m. of 15 June 2023. It is their case. And rejection is on the ground that they have filed it after 8 p.m. Therefore, if it is an illegally rejection, then it's an election dispute. Whatever the reason may be good, bad. And all that other arguments which I have argued.
Ultimately, you filed the nomination on
Yes.
the 15th.
15, my lord. Ultimately, filed on 15, my lord. Thereafter, our names appeared in the website up to 20, my lord.
Oh, at what time did you file?
My lord, I entered in the video premises before 3. My lord, thereafter, my lord, what happened, my lord? They keep the nomination. But the video, because there is a huge queue, my lord. Kindly take notice of that, my lord. There is 82 candidates, more than 82 candidates, my lord. Each candidate, there is one proposer and 2 witnesses, my lord. So there is a huge queue, my lord. So it ought to be, my lord. In election day, what happened, my lord? If the election period up to 5, my lord, whosoever entered in the premises, then they might be took up to night 12, my lord. But whoever entered in the premises within 5, my lord, they ought to give opportunity. That's my case. And not only that, my lord, my case is that, my lord, the last date of scrutiny was 17. On 20, my lord, our names appeared in the website, my lord. All of the sudden, my lord, our name vanished, my lord. That's my case. Or election dispute, my lord. This is an arbitrary act of the administration, my lord. This is not an election dispute at all.
Just a minute, just a minute. My lord, kindly come to its page 83 of the petition. Page 83 of the petition itself. See, 9 p.m. Admittedly,
This is
Please,
not our
please.
handwriting.
there is anyway.
This is whose handwriting, my lord? Then
My lord, I can't argue in this way. Mr.
One
He
minute.
will do it in
1 minute. Assuming that it was filed at 9 p.m.
right.
Assuming.
Mm.
But the candidate, if he is there.
No,
with
where
his
is
fee-
where is the averment? Where is the averment? My lord, I have made already submission to your lordships. Before Justice Mantha, this was the case. And it has, I have already submitted. These persons entered into the premises at 8:01 p.m. and they have ransacked. They have 2,500 persons entered. Video was shown to Justice Mantha, my lord, Mr. Justice Mantha. Therefore, this is a case where they have entered after 8 p.m. They were not, my lord, where this case is this, where this has that they were in the queue. Where is the case? Averments have been made. Now, my lord.
Paragraph 18, my lord. Specific about.
Now, my lord, kindly see the complaint of the block development officer. My lord, kindly take, and I am just handing it over. Kindly see
Give me a
the
copy.
block development officer. I will give it to you. Please, just wait. I don't have much copy. Kindly see. To the officer in charge, Kashipur Police Station, Baripur District Police. Complaint against the incident occurred on 15 June after scheduled time of nomination. This is to inform you that on 15 June 2020 at 3 p.m. the nomination process so-and-so was over and the nomination venue was cleared. At about 4:48 p.m. a violent mob of about 2,005 persons carrying arms, rods, sticks and stones forcibly entered into office premises, breaking two locked gates. After that, they have broken into the office forcibly and vandalized the office. They have forced the ARPOs and other office staff to receive their nomination paper by obstructing officer on duty for performing their duty. This is the official complaint has been made before the officer in charge. And kindly see 17 June 2003 to the district magistrate and district panchayat election officer seeking clarification. I am to inform that on 50 at 3 p.m. nomination process and panchayat nomination venue was cleared. Same, Milord. They have forced so-and-so a complaint about the matter has been lodged to the officer in charge. I have informed. Therefore, if, Milord, today, before our lordships, the averments is there. Today, before your lordships, the official documents are there. Who is correct or who is not correct? Milord, that cannot be gone into by the writ petition. That's the, Milord, the question of fact is there. And on the scrutiny, Milord, at the time of scrutiny, the Mr. Basu's clients raised objection. Raised objection. And we know the fact, and I have to act on the basis of the objection.
But I filed the application on the basis of that. And your lordship court was pleased to die in election dispute. Now, my lord, just wait, I will take 2 minutes time for mine. But before that, my lord, can I keep this judge of the division bench? The entire case is theirs prevented. Can you straight away come to paragraph 33 of the division bench judgment? Kindly straight away come to paragraph 33.
Yes.
The issue as to whether there has been prevention or of obstruction to the intending candidates from making nominations at the specific place is disputed question of fact which cannot be decided by of exchange of affidavits. Therefore, this court was not inclined to invite the parties to deal with such allegations by filing objections thereto. If there is any reasonable apprehension of prevention of obstruction of making nomination or there has been any alleged obstruction, the aggrieved party has to take recourse to the provisions laid down in 42 subsection 2 of section 43. We have done that. We said that you are accepting their nomination beyond 3 p.m. because statute says, Form 1 says last time is 3 under the statute. And these are my objections we have filed. And on that matter order has been passed. So this is the order we have challenged before your lordship's court. My lord, now kindly see, this is the only order passed by my lord. In identical situation, my lord passed this order. There is no other material before my lord today. And this is the argument of Mr. Bhattacharya, my learned senior friend, that yes, this is a case which required a election dispute to be raised.
Very well.
हमारा खाली CA lordship चाहिए. There your lordship was pleased to delegate the matter to the election as an election dispute. But there is no other material now placed before my lord in addition to the prayer which was filed in that writ application. So in my humble submission, your lordship could pass an order in conformity with the order passed by your lordships earlier. And now, my lord, my election has been declared. A certificate issued. If today, my lord, your lordships is going to entertain this application, meaning thereby my certificate of winning of election will be scrapped. These are the, my lord, I have placed before my lord on the last day.
You have not won the election. You have got the uncontested, prevented us from going there and now taking benefit of that.
He knows more than me in this field. Declaration granted under Act statute. So I have been declared elected.
My lord, who are the petitioner, who are declared the winning candidate, not against the petitioner, my lord. Kindly give the certificate. As per my own instruction.
Not in respect of the said
said
seat.
I am declaring 80 candidates.
82.
No, but then 80 candidates,
No,
are
only
they
12,
against
only 12.
the
I
petitioners?
could not produce all certificates.
No.
I have handed over to you.
Yesterday, 12. No, now they are, yesterday, my lord, 12 candidates, they handed over 12.
No, my lord, from my end, that all in
documents-
all
This 12 was provided yesterday.
my lord,
Kindly see.
Yes,
Form
yes, I
12
agree.
has been
Kindly see.
issued in case of others.
Now it is a document.
Ah.
It is the
Heard all
custodian.
parties.
Investigation subject to, and my lord, kindly noted one thing, my lord. When this
Monday.
certificate issued,
26th. 26th. Karimul Islam Mullah, item number 6.
This is Hodge.
Oh.
Hodge candidate appear and will find the nomination.
You have a report. Please give. Yes, please.
From the Bureau of Immigration. But he had left India on the 4th of June, my lord. But may I, my lord,
4th of June, prior to the notification being published.
Yes.
You to retire, come back on
He's supposed to come on 18th of July.
16 July.
16th of July.
15th of July. So the entire process. Yes, Commission. What will be your submission? Yeah, sure.
And my lord, this is the copy of the declaration that he is supposed to give. Last page. Last time short for this. This is available in the website as well as.
Yes, please. Yes.
এটা now.
Moharuddin Ghazi.
And Ahsan Qazi
Huh.
filed their
Nomination.
nomination at the office of the returning officer Meena Khan for Kumar Jol. oblique 12, 15 seat.
No, but then if the candidate was not there,
No, Your Lordship, it is a assumption, I will say. Is it not possible that a candidate signs the document, hands it over to its proposer, and goes out of time? No, this is.
and is the candidate not required to remain personally present in front of the state officers? Say in the last occasion, Mr. Bandyopadhyay said that the candidate is required to remain personally present. What will you say? This is what the law says. Presence is required.
This I have
Candidate
upload.
is the election, the notification was published on the June, 9th of June. He went on 4th, and it is to be accepted that he signed the papers prior to that. It cannot be accepted at all. This submission cannot be accepted. Absolutely no.
Section 46, subsection 1.
Tell me one thing. Candidate is not here. No, notification published by the commission on the 9th of June. He left on the 4th. So he is cancelled. Please come. No, when there is
We have sought for investigation. We have sought for investigation.
what the investigation authority will do. The candidate is not there.
Who was the
No,
person?
my lord, the investigation is necessary, my lord, that this is who, my lord, filed this nomination, who secured this signature, everything is forged. But this is a serious thing with regard to, my lord, the election,
And please come.
which is the basic structure of our constitution.
Instruction has been forwarded by the Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, mentioning that the petitioner Moharuddin Ghazi left the country on 4th June 2023 as Hajj pilgrim, and he is as Hajj pilgrim. Stop. Next. It appears that the notification was published by the State Election Commission for declaring the dates of the Panchayat elections on 9th June 2023. Stop. The Panchayat returning officer accepted the nomination on behalf of the petitioner. Now, nomination from the concerned candidate, that is Moharuddin Ghazi, and scrutinized the same and found the same to be in order. Stop. The name of the private respondent was put up in the final list of eligible candidates to contest the election. Stop. Next. According to the provisions of law, the candidate concerned is required to remain present. Now, is required to sign the nomination paper. Stop. And the declaration is required to be furnished by the candidate along with the nomination paper before the Panchayat returning officer. Stop. Next. Submission has been made on behalf of the State Election Commission that it may be possible that the candidate had signed the paper prior to leaving the country. Stop. The said submission cannot be accepted by the court. More so because of the reason that the notification declaring the dates of the election was published after the candidate concerned left the country. Stop. Next. The private respondent could not have anticipated that the notice of election, notification declaring the dates of election will be published, and he will and he signs the declaration prior to the date of publication of the notification. Stop. Next. Paragraph. The petitioners have prayed for conducting an investigation as to how the nomination papers of the private respondent could have been accepted. Stop. Next. The
Prayer B.
Prayer B.
B.
Acha, permitting a candidate to contest the election
Your Lordship,
when he is outside the country, relying upon documents which not relying upon, calls for an investigation by an independent
Your Lordship,
agency.
may I interject at this moment? Let there be an inquiry by the State Election Commission.
Right,
Yes, kindly, Your Lordship, we will. come
right.
up with
For
a
what reason?
Yes.
The appeal bench is there. You can
Kindly, Your Lordship,
obtain
kindly allows,
orders.
I will file a report to that extent. Kindly allows that.
Very well. I'll accept your contention. Next, from an independent agency. ठीक है? The learned advocate representing the State Election Commission submits that the matter will be inquired by the State Election Commission. Stop. Next. Let the State Election Commission inquire the matter and file a report before this court on 28th of June 2023, when the matter will appear in the list marked for orders.
I'm brief, Your Lordship.
The communication made by the Additional Deputy Secretary
Why not?
dated 23rd of June 2023 be written with the records. One more matter is left.
Yes.
Item got
Sirajuddin Diwan.
item 7, my lord. I am
And the whole of the union, my lord,
nothing. You are giving.
Purpose is served.
my lord, now expunge, my lord, maybe we.
Why?
Why did you remain?
Because in case the court does not accept the report of the commission, then maybe the union authorities may be required. I do not know. It will all depend upon what is the report that is coming from the commission. One more matter is left. 7.
8.
Yes.
So. 8. So. My lord, I am appearing. 7 or 8?
My lord, I just
7,
remind
yes.
your lordships.
My lord, I am appearing for the state.
My lord, on the last occasion, your
Not
lordships,
more than 3 minutes.
I will not. My lord, on the last occasion, after hearing us at length, your lordships directed the commission to take instructions, these are at least. Now, I just remind your lordship, this is scanning one block. 274 seats goes, my lord, uncontested. My lord, we went on 14th to, my lord, submission, file our nominations. We are prevented long before. We went 15th, tried to go on 15th. We are physically prevented. Paragraph 6A onwards. Now we lodged a complaint to the commission, your lordships will find at page 73 onwards, 15th June itself.
Yes.
My lord, at 1
And
p.m.
Ms. Sinha was supposed to take instructions.
Even then. And your lordships, your lordships pointed out to me.
Why?
My lord, my lord, can I make this submission?
Yes.
My lord, this is the case, my lord.
But one thing, I'm like, the state electoral commission cannot submit.
I
Lord,
have followed it.
that's,
I have
that's
followed it. Yes.
Can I make this?
Yes.
My lord, in this this scanning, there are 3 seats of the Jila Parishad. Kindly take me, my lord. In the 3 seats, All India Trinamool Congress filed their nominations. SUCI filed their nominations. They are saying no nominations have been filed.
No, their cases, they could not file the
No,
nomination.
I am coming, Lord. Oh, I'm just coming. INC filed the nominations. If one doesn't go there, that's not the point that they could not file the. He has not gone there, other persons have gone there. Nominations papers have been filed. Then, my lord, 6 candidates have withdrawn. So far the Gram Panchayat seat is concerned, independent persons have also filed their nominations. Other political parties have also filed their nomination. Withdrawal is there. Therefore, nominations have been filed. What is his case? His case is kindly similar, that because of the disturbance, etc., criminal case, etc., they could not able to file their nominations. But if the nominations have not been filed, in that case, it is also an election dispute. It remains an uncontested.
So the same submission you made.
Same submission is there. Same submission. I am not required to take my submission. My lord, one of the, I just tell you, lordship, my lord, what has happened, that has not been, yes, my lord, your lordship will find a criminal case, suo motu criminal case, yes, a suo motu criminal case has been,
I think the same submission will.
no, it is a different factual. Suo motu criminal case has been initiated. Suo motu criminal case on that day.
Against whom?
Against, my lord, so many 56%, 27% have been arrested.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, one of the complaint has been made by one Sirajul. This Sirajul, na? It's Sirajul. No?
Sirajuddin.
So this baby Sirajuddin, Sirajul Islam Gharami, Millard, this and filed a writ petition before Justice. This matter was taken up by my Lord Mr. Justice Mantha regarding the police inaction, etc. Justice Mantha, my Lord Justice Mantha, just may I read it, Millard? Page 87.
No, I hardly have time.
Or, Millard, your lordship will find the order of Justice Mantha at page 87.
Yes. Yes, it was placed on the last occasion.
Now, Millard, in this matter also, the already what has happened under section 64B, the uncontested candidates are concerned, Millard. The 64B of the Panchayat Act, under Form 12, the candidates have been declared as winning candidates. Have been declared as winning candidates. 64. They have been declared, yes, they have been declared winning candidates. Now, Millard, the declared as winning candidates. Now, therefore, Millard, the prayer which has been made by the writ petitioners, kindly come to writ petition, signed similar. First, mandamus commanding the source to allow the petitioners to submit their nominations. This is time has gone, not possible, already can declare. But any of the prayer is not maintainable in view of the elections.
What? For orders on Monday.
Okay.